After you're done editing videos, you may want to export out your videos. And to do that, you need to go around over here onto the top right hand side when the project is opened, and you can see that export button is here. You need to go around and click on this, and what happens is that you get the exporting settings, as you can see right here. Like for example, you can go around and choose the title of the footage right here. So I'm just going to go around and say example TutorTube export right here, just like this. And you can also go around and choose the export folder. So I'm just going to go around and choose right here, and I'm going to choose desktop, let's say for example right here. Then you can choose the resolution of the footage, and I'm just going to go around and keep it 480p right here so that it exports fast. But you can choose different qualities, as you can see right here. You can choose the bitrate to be lower right here so that it takes less file size, but if you want it to be higher quality, then you can choose higher. Or you can select customized as well, and even select static like constant bitrate right here so that it takes the constant bitrate of 45 kilobits per second. Or you can choose variable as well so that it only uses 4,500 kilobits per second when necessary and uses less when it is not necessary right here. So it does take a less file size with the variable bitrate, but more time to render. So depending on what you want, you can choose settings as you want. And I'm just going to go around and keep it on the lower end right here, just like this. And besides that, you can also choose codec, as you can see right here. S.264 is the standard codec for MP4 videos, and you can also choose EVC or AV1 as you like right here, depending on what you want. You can also choose your format to be MOV or MP4 right here. I'm just going to choose the standard format of MP4. And no matter what your project settings was, you can also go around and change around the frame rate differently as well. And you can also choose to export audio right here. You don't see any audio settings because I don't have any audio right here. But as I bring in audio over here, let's say for example, not this one, but let's just go around and bring in a background music right here. So once you do that, I'm just going to go around over here and then let's say split out the audio. So I'm just going to go around and delete out the right, and this is what you have, as you can see. Let me add in a fade in and a fade out as well. And then I'm going to go around over here onto export. Once you do that, export audio is an option. Then you can go around and choose the format of the audio as well. And you can run a copyright check over here if you want to as well. So you can go around over here and choose the folder just like this, and then click on export to export the video out. So let's just go around and click on the export button, and what happens is that you have an option, as you can see. It says the video is saved to your desktop or laptop, and what you can also do is you can directly publish it onto TikTok or YouTube as you like right here. You do need to sign in for that, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and click on open folder right here, and it opens up this folder where you have this particular project, as you can see right here. So this is an MP4 file, as you can see right here, and as I open up the file, you can see your project right here exported just like this. And that is how you can export out videos inside of CapCut desktop editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.